Yeah. That's Squaretop Mountain. We're about 6.7 miles into a hike. We might go a little bit further to get some different vantage points, but after that we're gonna start heading back to the trailhead. We really just want to explore the Wind River Range. We've never been, and it's beautiful country out here. I'm loving it, so we definitely want to come back to it probably within the next few days, in between hitting Jackson and the Tetons and Yellowstone. So, but I want to climb that. I think we probably should camp though if we're gonna climb that, but we're gonna go a little bit further. So that was the Green Lakes hike in the Wind River Range in Wyoming. Now, most people go to Wyoming for Grand Teton National Park, for Yellowstone, but this was one of the most remote areas I've ever been in. Actually, Alex Honnold went there just this past week and climbed one of the rock walls. I forget the name of it, but he even had stated how remote the range is. So I thought that was pretty cool. So also, what's cool about the Wind River Range is its nickname is the 100-mile range because the mountain range extends for 100 miles. Most of the peaks in this range are over 12,000 feet in elevation, and also the highest mountain in Wyoming and one of the hardest to summit in the lower 48 is Gannett Peak. It sits at 13,804 feet in elevation. The range is also home to 1,600 alpine lakes, which is awesome, and it is also home to 63 glaciers here in the continental United States. So that's really cool. There is so much land and mountains and just a diverse landscape to hike into here that you could spend weeks here and not see everything, so I highly recommend checking it out. Another cool fact specifically about the glaciers in the Wind River Range is that 7 of the 10 largest glaciers in the continental United States are in the Wind River Range. So if you wanted to see glaciers, you could definitely hike in and check those out. But again, it's very remote. I mean, to give you an idea, to summit Squaretop Mountain, which is one of the most photographed spots in the Wind River Range, it's a 25-mile out and back trek, so most people camp. It's a long day if you don't. A few items that I would not go into the Wind River Range without. One is a map. You can get one in Pinedale at there's a mountain store. I can't recall the name of it, but there are maps at other stores too. But pick one up for the Wind River Range because it's very useful. It's well detailed. Actually, I have it on my wall over there. What's it called? A satellite transmitter phone where you can text from anywhere. You have a map of the trails. Garmin InReach, that's the name of it. And then bear spray. We did see bear footprints. We came across carcasses of animals. You want to have bear spray. Definitely have enough food, definitely have enough water, and among other things, just any other, little survival items you might need, first aid kit, etc., etc., etc. So Go in well prepared. Let people know where you're going, because you have no service. There's no cell service in this range. It's very, very remote. And above all, have fun and enjoy. So, if you thought this video was fun, helpful, intriguing, you found any of the facts interesting, hit the like, leave a comment if you've done a hike in the Wind River Range, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So, let me know what y'all think, and share a recent hike that you enjoyed in the comments below.